So today we're just going to do a mow on this lawn, get some liquid fert out afterwards because I want to give it even more colour, even though the colour is looking absolutely ridiculous at the moment. Just because, why not? Love a bit of iron on the lawn. So let's give it a mow. Let's get some stuff done. Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. So just quickly before we get into this mow, just want to show you guys how everything's tracking. And what I've been doing over the last couple of weeks to get it to looking like this from what it was before. So number one, we have had a little bit of rain. We haven't had lots like the rest of the country. I feel sorry for you guys that have had so much rain. You got flooding and you can't even get on your lawn at the moment. Like, it just sucks. We've had some rain, but we haven't had a ton of rain. So that's the first thing that I've done. Not really, it's just had some more water than it generally normally does because I didn't have irrigation here yet, so it has really enjoyed that. Secondly, I've also bumped up the regular mowing as well. So I was actually going to do a mowing every day for the next 2 weeks video. I started doing that and I decided to change my mind on that, and I'll tell you why right now. So the lawn here, like when I was daily mowing, I was actually starting to notice when I was mowing at 20, I think it was 23 or 24 mil, that I was just cutting into the crown on certain areas every single time that I mowed. So basically I had two options that I could have done from there. Instead of making it look nasty for ages, I could have, one, scalped it down again, probably down to like, I'd probably even scalp it down to like 14, 13 mil, really make it go off, and then raise my height of cut back up to 16, 17 mil. I've told you guys about this lots, but I still get the question heaps. That's option number one, and the reason I didn't choose option number one this time, and I went for option number two, which option number two is I let the lawn grow out a little bit longer and I'm gonna raise my height of cut. So instead of cutting at 23, 24 mil, I'm gonna bump up to like 25, 26, 27 mil. We might go a little bit higher because we're getting close to the end of the season, and I don't mind actually mowing a little bit taller when we start getting cooler temps. Like our night temps here are bumping down below 10 degrees now, so yeah, we definitely need that. But the lawn looks a lot better for it, as you guys can see. We're not scalping into it when we mow now, and it is really looking quite healthy, which is nice. So we'll raise the height of cut up on the Rover today. We'll probably do it, as I said, around probably, let's go 27 mil. Just so we're not cutting too much off, and we should get some stripes too with that because it is going to be a little bit taller. So we'll do a double cut and then possibly checkerboards. Actually, let's go diamonds though. Let's do a diamonds cut on this lawn, see how it turns out. Down, buddy. I gotta check this mean. Up, down, up, down. Mate, seriously, the lawn is looking pure. I want the sun to come back out so I can show you guys some really good shots of it, because it always does look better when the sun's out, but man, it looks crispy. Come on, sun, pop out. You know you want to. Yeah, you did. You made it. Right, have a squeeze me in at this. Like, it is looking so good. A little bit of a scalp there, there's a dip, but apart from that, the lawn, mate, what? Colour, mate, it's just looking so good. That fert mix is doing wonders to this thing. Nice to have some stripes on here too. Look at this, what do you reckon, Schnitty? Got some stripes, bro. Can you see it? Some diamonds there. Hard to see, the sun's not quite in the right spot anymore, but mate, look at it. Seriously, it's looking pure as. Woohoo! There we go, I think you can see the stripes now. My man, look at that. Bruh. Serious looking pure. So if we come down here, you can see the Roundup area that we got Roundup on is actually really starting to improve now. Obviously some of it died, but we are starting to see a bit of colour come back through on it. Even through this area just here, where it's got smashed the worst, to be honest. Colour is looking ridiculous. Mate, I'm actually not gonna put any fert down because it doesn't need it. Like, it looks really, really good. I didn't realise how much colour this thing had in it. Super stoked with that new fert mix. Looking really, really good. I did need to get some Primo down there, but I just mowed it, so I'd have to wait at least 4 to 6 hours to get down some plant growth regulator. So I might do that tomorrow. Since we're not getting rain for the next couple of days, which would be good, give me a chance to keep this a little bit lower, then I can get back to mowing a couple of times a week again. So I actually started bumping into 2 days a week, as I said to you at the start of the video, and I found that it just kept scalping every time that I mowed because I was just cutting too much into the crown. So we brought it up. Looks good. All right, well, thanks guys so much for watching. Really, really appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully it wasn't too short. Find out once I edit it how long it's actually going to be. But I feel like I've finally got my lawn at a place that I really, really like it. Like, it is looking, I'll say it again, looks beautiful. Looks so, so good. Thanks guys for watching. Appreciate yous. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you guys in the next vid.